Okay, number 17. The Pony Express was started because, well, just think, where do you think you're going to find where it started? Is that going to be at the beginning, the middle, or the end? Most likely it's going to be at the beginning. So we're looking at why did they even start this thing, okay? So let's look at our choices. We have A, more people lived in the West than the East. I'm already thinking that's not true because I know that the settlers started in the East and moved west. There are probably still more people in the East. B, mail could not be transported past St. Louis. I'm already thinking that's wrong because anywhere that people could go, they could carry a piece of mail. So if they could get past St. Louis, then they could carry mail. C, the telegraph was out of date. Well, we'll look and see about that one. D, people wanted faster mail delivery. So we'll see, is that why they started the Pony Express? Again, look at the beginning because they're asking why it was started. It would make sense to start there. Wanted, young, skinny, tough fellows not over 18, must be expert riders, willing to risk death daily, apply at the Pony Express stables. It's a wanted ad, doesn't tell us why they started it. Paragraph 1, a new kind of mailman was being recruited. The new nation was quickly expanding. Almost 500,000 settlers lived in the western states. Well, that's a lot. So I don't know. I wonder if that means there were more of them than in the East. I still don't think so. They hungered for news of the relatives and friends that they had left behind in the East. Steamship mail took up to 6 weeks to arrive. That is a very long time. I would not want to have to wait that long. Ships sailed down the Atlantic coast from New York to the Isthmus of Panama. Mail sacks had to be moved across the isthmus by railroad. What is all of this? It's telling why it took so long. They were flung onto another ship. It sailed up the Pacific coast to San Francisco, California. Stagecoach mail also provided regular communication between the East and the West. Stages took a safer route to the South. Mail took an average of 3 weeks by stagecoach. So we have 6 weeks by the steamship, 3 weeks by the stagecoach. With the motto, the mail's got to go through, the Pony Express proposed to cover the distance between St. Louis, Missouri and Sacramento, California in 10 days. So this is basically problem and solution. The problem was it took too long for the mail to get there. Solution is they started the Pony Express. It's cause and effect as well. So people wanted faster mail delivery. Our proof is in paragraph 1, because it says the steamship mail took 6 weeks to arrive. The stagecoach mail took 3 weeks to arrive. And then also in paragraph 2, because it's only going to take the Pony Express 10 days. So you can pause this, go into your correction sheet, tell me what you chose, why you chose it, what was wrong with it. Again, this was number 17. Tim said the Pony Express was started because correct answer is D. Because mail took too long. Pony Express faster. 10 days. We had the steamship, what was it? Yeah, took 6 weeks. And the stagecoach took 3 weeks. Too slow. Strategy or tip. It said started because. So look at the beginning. Reread. Since it said started, we go to the beginning. Reread. And ask ourselves, why did they start it? Because it was too slow. All right, that's it for number 17.